One way in Cartegraph to repeat a set of tasks that need to be performed on a regular basis is by using a repeating work order. First, we'll need to click on the Work tab and select Work Order. To start, we're going to create a work order. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create button. Next, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the information for this detail page. For description, I'm going to enter in Murphy Park Trash Collection. And then for the department, I'm going to select Parks. And then for the owner, I'm going to select Goal, Tim Goal. It's going to be the owner. For the start date, I'm going to select today. I'm going to leave the stop date field blank for now. And now that I have all this information filled in, I can also set the repeat work order before I click finish and save. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the repeat work order. Inside the repeat work order box, this is where I can set the parameters of how often and when it's going to put it into the system. I can choose such as the begin date, which I'm just going to keep it as today, and how often I want it to repeat. For example, do I want it once a day, or I would like to change it from day to weeks, and instead of once, I'm going to make it twice, and it's going to be Monday and Thursday. Or I can make this into months or years. The end date in below is how far in advance you want this to stop. If it is a schedule you only want to do for 2 or 3 years, you can put a hard end date in this field here to stop the system from repeating after that point. By leaving it blank, the system will continue to recreate unless you change this. Below that, we have how often you want this into the system. Do you want it only when the current work order and tasks are completed? Meaning, it's not going to recreate if only one of those is still open, or do you want them to ignore the current set and regardless put this into the system? But this, you can choose, I don't want them to be in the system right away. I want it only to be a day, a week, month, or a year, or whatever you choose here ahead of time. For example, if I have a task and work order that I do once a year, I don't necessarily want to see those as soon as I complete it. I want it to wait and put it in the system a day before. That way, I don't have to wait through the task for the whole year. I will go ahead and save this for now and click Finish and Save. Now, my work order, it doesn't have any tasks associated, but it does have the repeat schedule turned on, and I can tell by looking at the top right next to the status. There is the repeating schedule icon. By clicking that, it's going to tell me the recap of what I've just entered earlier. Now, as I add tasks into this work order over time, at the point when this is going to repeat every 2 weeks on Monday and Thursday, the system will look back and see how many tasks are associated and recreate those at that point. If you have a task in the work order that you do not wish to repeat next month, you will need to disassociate that task first. I can also edit the repeat work order at any point. While sitting on the work order detail, I can go to the Action menu and select Repeat Work Order. This will give me the same dialog box as what I have before. I can adjust accordingly and save, or I can remove the repeat schedule by clicking on the Remove Repeat. It's going to warn me if I remove it, that's going to actually remove the schedule, which is fine. I'm going to go ahead and click Remove Schedule. Now, it's just back to a work order that doesn't repeat. When I close this out, it will have no more repeat function.